Hey everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, we're going to be going over how to install the plain icon theme. So to start off, you're going to want to download the files to your computer. And it shouldn't take too long. And while that's downloading, install the unzip tool on your computer. Open up a terminal window, and from here you need to move into the download directory. Inside of the download directory, you need to make a folder. Now if you're doing plain dark, you do the plain dark instructions. If you're doing plain, you do the plain instructions. But make the folder, and then you need to move the file, the theme file, into the folder, then move into the folder. The reason we do this is because unzip doesn't create its own archive folder. Like when you extract it, it doesn't create its own folder like tar does. Now from here we can unzip the files inside. Now if we look, this is all of the theme files. Now from here we can remove the zip file like so. Now we move back to the downloads folder, so we look, we can see the plain dark folder is right here. So now we can move on to the installation instructions. So first you need to create yourself an icons folder, and then make sure you're in the downloads directory like we are here. Now you can move plain dark into, or the regular plain folder into the icons folder. Now it's telling me I can't do this because I already have it installed, as you can see right here. So I can't move it because the directory is not empty. But if I didn't have it there, it would be placed in there like it already is now. So that's how you install it. Now we can activate it. Now I'm using XFCE, so I just got to go to Appearance, and I can go to Icons, and we see plain dark is right here. Now I've got the plain dark icons. It's kind of incomplete in some areas. It works pretty well, I think. It looks nice, and some apps definitely needs work, but as you can see, it's got a lot of cool icons and stuff. Definitely something that I would like to see mature, and maybe one day it'll be able to cover all of my icons instead of about 50 or 60%. Anyways guys, that's how you install the plain icon theme. I highly recommend you check it out, especially if you like these kind of interesting. Actually, the Discord icon is my favorite, but yeah, it looks really nice. So if you want to check out this icon theme, please follow the instructions in this video and check out the link in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.